नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, वायसी एज्युकेशन महाराष्ट्र चॅनलमध्ये आपले सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. आज आपण द्वितीय सत्र परीक्षा 2024 इयत्ता 7वी विषय गणित माध्यम सेमी प्रश्नपत्रिका पाहणार आहोत. ही प्रश्नपत्रिका एकूण 50 गुणांची असेल. तर आपण प्रश्नपत्रिका पाहायला सुरुवात करूया. प्रश्न क्रमांक पहिला, चूज द करेक्ट आन्सर. मार्क्स फॉर principal plus dash dash is equal to amount. Second, the diameter gives rise to two equal arcs. They are called dash dash. An angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called a dash dash. The surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Question number 1b. Solve the following examples. Marks 6. त्यातील पहिला प्रश्न, चिन्मय अँड सॅम इन्व्हेस्टेड अ टोटल अमाऊंट 1,30,000 रुपीज इन अ बिझनेस इन द प्रोपोर्शन 3:2 रिस्पेक्टिव्हली. व्हॉट अमाऊंट डीड ईच ऑफ देम इन्व्हेस्ट इफ देअर टोटल प्रॉफिट वॉज 36,000 रुपीज. व्हॉट इज द शेअर ऑफ ईच. सेकंड, ॲट अ सर्टन रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट द इंटरेस्ट आफ्टर 4 years ऑन 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? प्रत्येकी प्रश्न 3-3 मार्कांसाठी आहेत. बीमध्ये दोन्हीही प्रश्न सोडवायचे आहेत. आता आपण पुढील प्रश्न पाहूया. या उदाहरणांची सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. Solve the following example. Marks 8. Question 1. Principal is equal to 25,000 rupees. Amount is equal to 31,000 rupees. Time 4 years. What is the rate of interest? Second, the diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. Third, if the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle be? For in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree, length of AC 5 centimeter, length of BC 12 centimeter. What is the length of segment AB? Question number 2. Solve the following. त्यातील first, use the formula to find the value. Example, 502 into 498. Second, 97 into 103. Third, 54 into 46. Question 2a मधला second question. Factorize the following expression. p square minus q square. Second, 4x square minus 25y square. Third, y square minus 4. 3. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week 9, 11, 8, 20, 10, 16, 12. Fourth, Angelia deposited 15,000 rupees in a bank at a rate of 9% per year. She got simple interest amounting to 5,400 rupees. For how many years had she deposited the amount? B. Solve the following. Question 1. An open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1 meter is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? 5 मार्कांसाठी हा प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे. सेकंड, अ रेक्टँग्युलर गार्डन इज 40 meter long and 30 meter wide. A 2 meter wide path is to be inside the garden along its boundary using tiles 25 cm into 20 cm in size. How many such tiles will be required? Question number 3. Solve the following questions. Marks 10. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will that of the new square be? Second, in a circle with center O, the measure of a minor arc is 110 degree. What is the measure of the major arc PYQ? Third, the wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotation will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? पुढील प्रश्न क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 त्यातील 4. Akash deposited 25,000 rupees in a bank at a rate of 10% per year for 3 years. How much interest does he get every year? How much altogether? Fifth, for 9 cows, 13 kg 500 gram of food supplement are required every day. In the same proportion, how much will be needed for 12 cows? संपूर्ण प्रश्नपत्रिका सोडवायची आहे. धन्यवाद. जर तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा.